Welcome back to the farm. Today my ducks are on underwater stage in the pool. They dip their neck deep inside the water, hunting for insects and tiny snacks nature provides. Watch how focused and happy they are during this swimming moment. You can see how their neck are deep inside. They found something there. Look at how fast they dive. Ducks love water hunting. It's part of their natural behavior. Dipping their neck inside shows how happy they are. This pool is their favorite place every morning, afternoon, and any moment they come out from their pen. Dipping their neck help them search for insects hiding under the water. You can see how their neck are deep inside the water, so they can see inside the water. They are good divers. Thank you for watching these ducks underwater search. Please stay tuned. More swimming, feeding, and farm life vibes are coming your ways. Subscribe today. Farm freshness is just a click away. Thank you for watching. Please enjoy. Stay tuned.